There's only one that's true here, and that's that the song seems to have had an effect on engagement, but not learning. Think of it this way. Let's assume that the song had no effect. Let's say we picked a random sample of size 20 from the population of learning scores. It's quite possible, you calculated about an 18% chance, to randomly select a sample with a mean learning score of 8.35. This is a pretty high probability. However, again, let's assume that the song had no effect, and we picked a random sample of size 20 from the population of engagement scores. We get that the mean engagement score is way out here, with a z-score of over 10. That's not likely to happen if we pick a random sample. Therefore, there's evidence to suggest that the song had an effect on engagement, but not learning. However, we still can't be totally sure that the song caused higher engagement without setting up a proper experiment and implementing proper control conditions. Great job!